Merry Christmas, Aquaba. Welcome to Diane's channel. I'm here. Hope you can see this clear. Jamaican restaurant sports bar. Yes, right here in Kumasi. Now I have with me the manager, Yvonne. So Yvonne is going to give me a walkthrough. Welcome to the channel, Yvonne darling. So tell me a bit about what's going on here. I notice it's a large space that you have, you know, so talk to me.
If you have a birthday party, any program, wedding, we can assist you. We do delivery, we do orders, anything you want, we can give it to you. Anything. So, this is our spacious area. We have the stage. Every Sunday we do salsa.
Ah!
Yes. Every Sunday from 7 to 10.
Wow.
Yes. So they'll be coming.
Let me try to get a good view of the stage
Yes.
here.
Okay.
Ah, okay. So basically, once and we just have the decorations here for the festive season. So once it passes, this tells you exactly what kind of happens. Okay, guys, you have an idea. Okay.
We have the VIP hats.
Yes. Let's get a bit closer. But it's quite spacious, eh?
Yes.
Yvonne, very spacious.
You have your own privacy too.
Yes.
Just a little hangout.
Yes.
Very private.
Yes. Almost like a cabana setting, private. Ah, and we have on the wall. Yeah, man, you're serious with the Jamaican thing, man. We have some of our athletes here. Yes.
And we have a fish pond here too.
Look here.
We have a fish pond here. Catfish.
Catfish.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, we're going. Ah!
Yes.
Do that again, Yvonne.
He's going to feed them so.
Ah. Guys, can you see?
Point and kill.
Point and kill, yes. I had catfish for the very first time at Ike's Cafe. Ike's Cafe and Grill. And this is what you do. And this is called what you said? Fish. Fish and kill?
Point and kill.
Point and kill.
You have it over here.
Okay. Guys, I'm just showing you. It's really a sizable.
And then we have our grilling area too. This is the point and kill.
Here it is. This is how they have it here. Point and kill. Yes.
We have our little grill over here.
Come. And this is your grill where you do jerking?
Yes.
Okay.
Kebab, jerk chicken, everything.
Yes. So how long have you been working here?
Getting to 4 years now.
That's nice.
Yes. We have a little space over there too. It's also the VIP is down over there.
Okay. You want to take a quick stroll?
Yes.
I'll follow you lead.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
And we have pool too. We play pool.
You play pool, so you have games.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is also like a hideout.
Yes, nice. Pool
This is
table.
the pool.
Yes.
We have a second bar here too.
Okay.
so beautiful, spacious.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right.
That much is true.
Yes.
And you're open 7 days a week? Give me your opening hours.
24/7.
24/7?
Yes.
And what are your opening hours?
From 2 to 10 o'clock. That is Monday. Sorry. From 9 to 10. Monday to Thursday. Then from Friday to Sunday is 2 to 10 p.m.
Jamaican restaurant and sports bar. Guys, as you can see, the Jamaican influence is all around. The seating decorated with the colors of the Jamaican flag.
Yes.
There is no doubt once you enter that this is a
You have a
Jamaican
car park
spot.
too.
Yes?
Yes.
Adequate parking, we can see. I am waiting, guys, to have a one-on-one with the bigger boss. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Keep it locked. Yvonne, thank you so much for giving me this little
my
short
pleasure.
view. I wish you well.
Oh,
I will be dining here
okay.
in a short while, right?
Okay.
I'm going to place my order soon.
Okay. Thank
Guys,
you for coming.
you're
Thank you
welcome.
for coming.
You're welcome. Guys, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Merci. God bless.